Hello. Excuse me. I'm doing a review for magnetic cable clips. They are by GikPal. GikPal. Anywho, this is what it looks like. Some horrible lighting. And these are the magnetic pieces. They go on. This one's already open. Your cords go in it. Like that. And then when it's attached to your desk or whatever, you can keep this on and then just put it, and you know where it's at. This is an S7 charging cord, and as you see, I had a little bit of trouble. If the cord is fancy braided, if it lights up, can't think of any other types, it will not close. This one will not, without me possibly breaking it. So you have to keep an eye on that. It says less than 4 millimeters, so if you have to measure your cords before you purchase it, that might be best. There are 3 clips. It's got the 3M sticky adhesive, which is pretty good adhesive. Let's see what else. I was expecting it to be bigger for some reason, but if you read, you'll find out a lot more. It's a great idea. I just wish that the cable opening, or the part where the cable goes in, was a little bit bigger, so I didn't feel like I was gonna break it every time I shut it, but I like it. Again, it is on Amazon, called GikPal Magnetic Cable Clips Desktop Cord Management Multi-Purpose Cord Organizer with 3-pack cable buckles for cell phone cable less than 4 millimeters, black. So, thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe.